after Bitcoin has broken this ascending triangle towards the upside, well, it has been correcting towards the downside ever so slightly. So we are going to need to be talking about this exactly. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? Can we be seeing this Bitcoin bounce back towards the upside, or are we going to be headed even further towards the downside? Well guys, today's update video is going to be a very important one, so can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, right now in the short term, Bitcoin is correcting ever so slightly towards the downside. But guys, I've already been talking about this fact just a few days ago, that it doesn't really matter what is going to be happening with Bitcoin in that short term, if we are either going to be headed for that 68k level already, or if we are first of all going to be coming back down towards this level of support and then get a bounce in and then reach this level over here. Well guys, I still have the same thoughts about the market right now. I do still think that right now we are coming back towards the downside, retesting this level over here, and then see this bounce back towards the upside. Now, I am going to be explaining that exactly in a second, but first of all, we can actually start to see some kind of a level of support for Bitcoin right here at this current moment. Also, some horizontal level of support from this previous week over here, perfectly found support from of that level over there. Now, yes, on that hourly time frame, we can actually start to have a look into what some kind of a downtrending level of resistance, and each and every single time we are touching this level over here, we are getting a strong rejection each and every single time. Right now, we are testing it once again. It is looking like we are getting a small rejection, but if we can be coming back above this level over here, I do think that we can be seeing a big bounce right now in the short term. And if we can be seeing this bounce over here, well, do keep in mind that still my target is going to be that 68k level. And of course, that 68k level is going to be coming from this downtrending level of resistance over here. This is going to be the most important level for Bitcoin to be breaking above. But anyways, if we're going to be having a deeper look into what's a short term for Bitcoin, we actually can also be seeing that Bitcoin is starting to create this rising wedge formation over here and this level of resistance. So this is definitely not looking very good. This of course is going to be a bearish biased pattern. Yes, of course, even though the Bitcoin charts are looking very bullish, this pattern is more likely to be breaking towards the downside, so do keep that in mind. Anyways, we are still pretty far away from this level of support over here, so we could still be seeing a little bit of a further correction to be touching this level over here, this level of support, then see this bounce and then maybe a break towards the upside. And that would be perfectly confluencing with us actually also coming all the way back down towards this level of support to be then ultimately getting our bounce in and then breaking towards the upside over here. So this scenario could definitely be looking very interesting. Definitely if you are going to be headed back towards this level over here, that's 61.7k, 61.5k, if we're going to be coming back towards that level over there, I'm definitely once again going to be becoming a buyer. Just like I've shared many times, if you are going to be coming back in towards this level of support right now, I'm definitely going to be buying the dip hard. That is going to be a very good opportunity in my opinion. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin definitely is looking bullish over here with this higher low we've been creating. Now do keep in mind that still Bitcoin is trading in this very large downtrend, but of course this downtrend is coming from this consolidation we are just forming in that larger time frame. So the context of this downtrend over here is ultimately going to be bullish, but do keep in mind that we are actually still trading instead of a downtrend in that short term. Anyways, also majority of that Bitcoin liquidity still sitting above us, still sitting above that 70k level. If we are going to be reaching this liquidity, well, we are going to be seeing a bullish break over here. That's going to be very and extremely bullish for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, also still the funding rates are still very low or even negative on some exchanges, for example over on OKX. So also about this is still looking very good, but it doesn't matter that maybe in the short term we could still be seeing a little bit of a further move towards the downside. So yes, ultimately in the short term we can be moving a little bit more towards the downside, but guys, do not get fooled, because this is probably going to be a massive trap and ultimately we are going to be seeing a big bounce in my opinion. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well with this upcoming opportunity right now in the market, make sure to check out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus, and also on top of that, a $500 free trade. So that is going to be absolutely insane. Make sure to click on that first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, complete KYC level 1, and there you go. You can be claiming these free bonuses, the 30k deposit bonus, and also this $500 free trade. So anyways, just like I shared already, yes, in that larger time frame, still Bitcoin is just creating a huge consolidation pattern, this huge bull flag, and yes, we do have that price target sitting at the 93k level. So that is going to be huge if we are ultimately going to be seeing this break towards the upside over here above that 68k level. This is going to be the most important level to be breaking above. Anyways, also if we're going to be just zooming out, or we are still just consolidating inside of this range over here, ultimately we are going to be expecting a very bullish breakout. Of course, it has been summer, so yes, we have been consolidating once again during the summer. This is exactly what we usually are seeing during the course of the summer, just like we have exactly been seeing during previous summer in 2023. But ultimately we broke out this summer consolidation with a bullish breakout. That is at least what we usually are doing. So let's see what is going to be happening next. Of course, right now is going to be the time to be preparing yourself for that for this next huge, massive bullish breakout. Anyways, guys, with that being said, a little bit of a shorter update video for today. But make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.